Hello and welcome back to another episode of Sustainability Saturdays here on Second Nature Films. We're a channel that talks about all things outdoors, from conservation to wildlife and sustainability, as well as making films where we're actually out there in the thick of it. This week we're going to be talking about what conservation actually is. Conservation basically has three main goals. Firstly, to understand the full range of biological diversity. That involves habitats and ecosystems, populations and species, and the genetics of those populations and species. We then want to understand the full human impact on the diversity, and then implement practical options that we can do to maintain and restore those levels of diversity. But with those three levels, that means conservation isn't always straightforward. The first idea is whether we should conserve species and populations, but this brings into debate how we should prioritise species and which species we should prioritise. The IUCN Red List categorises which species are most endangered, and some people think it's quite obvious to go down that route, but some species with a large population size still have issues with genetic diversity, which brings in a conflict and argument. The other route is whether we should conserve entire habitats and ecosystems, but then this brings in the debate of how we should manage an ecosystem if some species are struggling more than others. As you can see, that's why it's hard to get things done in conservation. But let us know what you think the best option to do is down in the comments. We're going to be delving deeper into these topics in later episodes, so please subscribe so that you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.